Would you like to learn how to play the riff in Norwegian Wood? Well, that's coming up. Hello, welcome to Your Guitar Guide, the channel where I'm going to help you find your sound with guitar lessons, music, and gear reviews. If this is your first time here, have a look around the channel. If you like what you see, consider subscribing for more guitar tips and tricks. Today I'm going to teach you how to play the riff that you hear in Norwegian Wood. It's at the beginning and throughout the song. And the first thing is we need a capo and place it on the 2nd fret. We're going to play using a D primarily, and then we're going to hit some licks. So to make the D, we'll put your first finger on the G string at the 2nd fret. This is now the nut of the guitar, so this is 1, 2. The 2nd finger is going to be on the 2nd fret of the E string, 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the B string. We're going to strum down, up, down. So it's down, up, down. So what we've got is down, up, down. And then it's 4, 2 on the G string. Open, G string. And then move your pinky up to the 4th fret of the D string. Got that so far? By the way, check the link in the description. I've got the tab for this. Once you get your finger to the 4th fret of the D string, then you want to strum again, up, down. So that is after you pick the 4th fret of the D and strum up and down. Pick the 2nd fret of the D string. So you're going to pick the 2nd fret of the D string, open G string, back down on the 4th fret of the D string. Pick the 3rd fret of the A string. And then pick the open G string. Pick the 2nd fret of the A string. And the open G again. 4, 2, open, 4 on the D, down, up, 2 on the D, open G, three, 2, open. Takes a while to get used to playing this, so try it with me. Ready? Down, up, down. sure to get the tab. Check the first link in the description for that. If you like this kind of video, can you give it a thumbs up? And if you want the complete video, be sure to check it out here on Your Guitar Guide.